Good Sunday afternoon. Here we are, guys. You ready to go? I am. Okay. It's 12 noon Sunday, but this bread won't be ready till tomorrow. And I'm probably going to have to do this in stages, but no problem. So I'm ready. I got my great-grandmother's old crock bowl out, which I'm going to use. I think how appropriate since my starter's name's Fuchsia. Fuchsia has been fed. She's bubbled and way doubled in size. So we're going to get going. I'm so nervous, but I'm sure it's going to be fine. Okay, so it says a half a cup of starter. And let's just dig in and get going. No, that's not close. Come on, let's go. Oh, what happens when I get too much? I got too much. See if I can dish it out. Barely too much, but I got a little too much. Let's see, one more little scoop out. Okay. All right, Fuchsia, let me set you over here. I'm done with you. Okay, now, next it called for 1 1/4 cups of warm water. So I'm gonna pour. I guess I don't need the scale anymore because the rest of it I'm gonna measure with the measuring cup. So 1 1/4 cups of warm water. And then I'm supposed to stir that until it's mixed. I can't believe I'm finally getting to it. Y'all just don't even know how I'm stressed over this. And I'll bet you once I make one that it's just gonna be second nature after that. But anyway. Okay, so I'm going to stir this real good until it's all incorporated. Just kind of looks like a bowl of milk. Okay. Next is going to ask for 3 1/2 cups of flour. I am not going to use the scale. I'm going to go back this way, old-fashioned way. And we will do 3 1/2 cups. Hope everybody's having a great Sunday. Weather here has finally turned warm again. It's nice. Okay, here's 2 cups. Put the 2 cups in there. I got one more to go. My husband and I went to Lowe's this morning to pick up just a few items. Well, actually, we went for 2 items, and we came out $200 later. Yeah, Christmas. I hadn't been to Lowe's yet to see their Christmas, so you know, there was a few things I had to get there. Okay, here we go. So that's 2, 3 1/2. Here we go. There, now. Ta-da. And I guess I'm going to mix this together. One thing I thought was really odd, and y'all can tell me if any of y'all know, it said not to add the salt to this, that we would wait. It has to sit for, oh my gosh, can't even remember what it said. So once I mix the flour, it has to sit for 30 to 45 minutes, and then I put the salt in the dough, and that's when I start some of my stretch and pulls. Which, I don't know, it kind of seemed odd to me. It seems like the salt should have been incorporated in here. And you know, maybe other people do it that way, but I'm just going by this book that I have, this recipe book here. So, anyway, so we can get all this mixed in. Oh my goodness. Guys, I tell you, the crackers turned out really good. I don't know if y'all saw my video on that, but they were really good. I made a couple of mistakes with them, and that's just my fault. I don't know, my time. I turned the oven off, but left them in there and shouldn't have done that. That was one of the things I shouldn't have done. I think there was something else. I don't remember what it was, but they had really great flavor, and we ate on them until they were all gone. I don't know if I'm supposed to. Seems like it'd be easier with my hands. No? Maybe? Let's see. I'm supposed to get a ball and all the flour incorporated.
So, yep. I'm so excited. Now I'm excited. Before I was very apprehensive, but I think we're doing good here. Okay, guys, so I got my ball, and it's got to sit for, what did I tell you? How long it had to sit? For about 30 to 45 minutes. And then when I come back, I add the salt, and I do stretch and pull. So I don't even know what to say now. But anyway, be back in about 45 minutes.